Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Glenda C. De La Cruz, 41 years old, and I'm married. I have 3 sons, ages 19, 16, and 12. My first work experience is in Saudi Arabia. I start November 17, 2017 until April 10, 2021. They have 4 members of the family, my madam, my sir, and 2 baby. The age of my madam is 37 and the age of my sir is 42. The age of the baby is 6 and 2. My second work experience is in United Arab Emirates. I start January 10, 2022 and I finish October 24, 2023. My duties and responsibility is cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, take care the baby, and sometimes I'm washing car. I want to work in Hong Kong because of the high salary, so that I can support my children to their school. Sir, ma'am, if you hired me, I promise that I will do all my best to follow your instruction. Thank you and God bless.